Hello friends. Today we will discuss how to create the configuration screen in our module. You can see here, I have a module having the configure button while our multipurpose module has only disable button, because we don't have any setting screen in the back office of the module. That is what we are going to create today. So let's discuss it. To create the configuration screen in the module, we need to write a function which is GetContent function. I don't need to say that it is from the parent module class and we need to override it. So let me write that function. The concept is really simple. You will see everything in the configuration screen which is returned by the GetContent function. It can be anything, simple text or HTML code, or it can be an entire template. Now, we will create a file in the admin folder having some HTML code and then we will load it as out configuration screen. Let me create a file. I will say it configuration.tpl. The file has been created. Let's write some HTML here. If you want to make the string translatable, then you can use the L function. The L function takes two parameters. The first is S, which is the string you want to translate. The second is the name of the module. Here we use multipurpose. So our file is ready. Now, we will load the same file in the GetContent function, same as we have done with the hook function. So let's just copy the code and change the path of the file for configure.tpl. We have done whatever we need. Now let me reload the page and check what output we have. See, you can see now the multipurpose module has the configure button because we have written the GetContent function and we are getting some output from there too. Let's check what we have in the configuration screen. See, we have the same HTML which we have written in the configure.tpl file. But you can notice that this part of the design is not like the other part of the website, because it lacks the Bootstrap CSS. This happened because we did not load the Bootstrap CSS in our module. If you want to use the effect of the Bootstrap CSS, then you need to add just one property in your module, which is just Bootstrap, and set it to the Boolean true. By default it is false, that is why we need to set it. Now let me reload this page. See, now the design you are seeing is same as the other parts of the website using Bootstrap. I have told you before we will discuss new properties whenever we will need them. Here we have the simple string, but you can write anything there. You can make an HTML form with any number of simple to complex HTML elements like label, text box, checkbox, or anything which is valid HTML. Here I am creating a text box where we can enter some text. If you write any code, just follow the standard of PrestaShop. I did not need to set the for property for the label, but if you will be strict about the standard, the output will be really neat and clean. Let me add a class from Bootstrap CSS and then I will reload the page to check the effect. See, you can create anything here. That is all for today. In the next tutorial, we will add a string in this text box, save it and will display it on the front office of the shop. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, then please subscribe it and stay tuned for the next video.